184 species in genus Dyckia. Dyckia, a thorny love affair. My name is Ferb Vu, and I have a confession. I'm obsessed with Dyckia. These spiky, sun-loving succulents have completely captured my heart and my garden. To some, they may seem a bit prickly and unapproachable, but beneath those spines lies a world of beauty and fascination. What exactly are Dyckia? They're a genus of plants belonging to the Bromeliaceae family, closely related to pineapples, though you won't find any edible fruit on these. Native to South America, they thrive in harsh, arid environments, clinging to rocky outcrops and sandy soils. This resilience is part of their appeal. They're tough, independent, and require minimal fuss. A tapestry of textures and colors. The first thing that struck me about Dyckia was their incredible diversity. The leaves, arranged in tight rosettes, come in a mind-boggling array of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are slender and grass-like, others broad and fleshy. Their surfaces can be smooth or covered in silvery scales, giving them an almost otherworldly appearance. And the colors: deep greens, fiery reds, vibrant oranges, and even cool blues. It's a painter's palette come to life. But it's the spines that truly define Dyckia. Ranging from tiny prickles to formidable hooks, they guard the leaves with a fierce beauty. These spines aren't just for show. They serve an important purpose, deterring thirsty herbivores and capturing precious morning dew. A bounty of biodiversity. The genus Dyckia boasts over 180 recognized species, each with its own unique characteristics. Here are Dyckia marnulapistolii. This striking species is known for its silvery white leaves and prominent spines. It's a real showstopper, especially when grown in full sun, which intensifies its coloration. Dyckia brevifolia, a compact species with short, triangular leaves, often forming dense clumps. Its red-tipped spines add a touch of menace to its otherwise charming appearance. Dyckia fosteriana. This one is a personal favorite. Its long, slender leaves are adorned with white scales and edged with fierce spines. It's a true survivor, tolerating both drought and intense heat. Dyckia goeringii, a master of disguise. This species can vary significantly in appearance depending on its growing conditions. It can range from green to almost black, with spines that can be short and inconspicuous or long and menacing. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The joys of cultivation. One of the things I love most about Dyckia is their ease of care. They're the perfect plants for busy people or those new to gardening. Give them plenty of sunlight, well-draining soil, and the occasional watering, and they'll reward you with their unique beauty. I've found that Dyckia are incredibly versatile. They thrive in pots, rockeries, and even hanging baskets. They can be used to create dramatic focal points or add texture and interest to mixed plantings. Their drought tolerance makes them ideal for xeriscaping, and their architectural forms lend a modern touch to any garden. A passion shared. My fascination with Dyckia has led me to connect with a vibrant community of enthusiasts online and in my local area. We share tips, trade plants, and marvel at the endless variety of this captivating genus. It's been incredibly rewarding to learn from others and contribute to the growing body of knowledge about these plants. If you're looking for a plant that's both beautiful and low maintenance, I highly recommend giving Dyckia a try. You might just find yourself falling in love with their prickly charm, just as I have.